I wanted to thank everybody that came to the show, came to our booth. Wish everybody a great time doing business, doing things right, satisfying our end users, and that's what we did in this show. We met a lot of contractors, architects, designers, people that coming from different trades, and we always through the show ask them, have you ever had situations where commercial or residential clients ask you to help them with fencing the property all around, putting all the pedestrian gates, driveway gates, railings, things like that, and you was scratching your head, don't know who to give it to, because most of the time those things getting screwed up due to rust and wood that getting roped and expanding and breaking, and stain is not done well, or even powder coat on iron giving problems. So when we show people the aluminum solution with the powder coating, and I saw people like kind of breathing and going like, oh my God, that's what we were looking for. And we're going to be able to help you to come out, examine what needs to be done, work with the budget that you have. We have products for almost any budget. So if you want to give something nice to your client and something that you know that once it's on, he's going to be happy, he's going to give you a thumbs up and will tell you thank you very much. And that's the idea. Our mission is to really make you look good and have the end user very, very happy. And that's what we're doing with these products. You can see the gates looks beautiful. The fences, we're making sure that the neighbor and the homeowner will get a good looking fence on both sides. And no more all those screws that going through wood and looking kind of funny, or bondo over it and trying to stain and it doesn't work. It's relying on the lumberyard to have the right wood, and the wood is not wet, or having sass going all over. There is so many things that going on in this industry that it's got to be like almost a magician, have a magic stick to make things right. So from now on, contractors, architects, designers, you don't have to worry. We have everything, and we can combine so many different designs. We can combine glass with different colors, and we can copy garage doors that people have, and they want to have the same garage door with a laminated glass and all that good stuff. We have the right locks for those gates. The locks are very nice, heavy duty, lever handle things that will last for years and years. You can take jobs on right on the ocean and not have to worry about oh my God, what I'm going to use over here. And so that's the idea. So thank you everyone that came to the show. Thank you for everyone who stopped in our booth and took one of our catalogs. And let's continue. Let's all continue, work as one big team to create a better and more beautiful place all around us, better environment, and help any end user who needs things on their properties. People spending lots of money, lots of time, lots of energy through their life, and they really deserve the best. So that's the idea. Thank you very much again, and have a beautiful weekend, beautiful week. Thank you. Bye-bye.